Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Apex Legends no servers found error. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Steam, and then you need to right click on Apex Legends, properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted game files that need to be fixed. And if this doesn't help, and if servers are not down and you have a good internet speed and reliable good internet connection, what you need to do here, you need to open up cmd or command prompt, run administrator, and then here you need to put ip config /flush DNS, and then you need to write a mesh winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And also make sure that you're not using proxy or basically VPN services, because sometimes it can cause a problem. So you need to go to VPN or proxy and make sure that you're not connected to VPN. And also the last thing that you can do here is to go to settings, network and internet connection. And then you need to go to a advanced network settings, and then basically you need to go to more adapter options. Then you need to go to your internet connection properties, make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then double click on internet protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart the computer, and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.